My name is Rohit, and I wanted to share this really nice Chrome extension that I've created to get you hired faster. So, the name of the Chrome extension is Mochaccino. And after installing the Chrome extension, this is what it looks like. You can click on the extension icon and then open your dashboard to connect, and you can sign in with your LinkedIn account. For it to work, you should already be signed into your LinkedIn. So if I open up LinkedIn, it's going to show that I'm already logged in, which is perfect. So I come back to the Chrome extension and click on connect to LinkedIn. It is going to take a second and sign me in. So I can close this, and you can see I am fully connected and logged in. And the way to use this Chrome extension is first of all, I'm going to show you how it's going to help you out with job search. So we have our little friend Corgi over here who is going to help us out in job search. I'm going to zoom in on the Corgi. And if I click the Corgi, it's going to open up this bubble. It's going to say, to see my full capabilities, take me to the LinkedIn jobs page. And you can just click this link and it's going to take you there. And once it is on the LinkedIn job page, now give it a second to load the page completely. Let's say I want to apply for a job. Right now, the Corgi is saying I can't find job details. Try selecting a job from the list. So we click on one of the jobs. Let's say I want to apply for the full stack developer. Oh, it seems like I've already applied for it. Let's maybe apply for a different role. Let's say Java full stack developer for this J&M Group company. And right now it's going to show me a few, details about this job. So first of all, it's telling me right away that the job is, 4 months old. Meaning we're probably not going to hear back from this company, right? So probably in our best favor to pick another job. So how about this full stack developer in Mississauga, Ontario for Citibank? Now this is also 1 week old. Still, it's a stale job. Let's see if I can find a better job that was recently posted. Let's see this Java developer for this CIBC Bank. And now we are getting the messaging that it's a fresh job, 1 day old, apply right now. All right. So we can go ahead and apply for it. I'm going to say, let's go. Next, it's going to say, okay, submit your application with all the details. When finished, come back here and I'll handle the outreach next. So our Corgi is telling us to, hey, go ahead and apply for the job. And it is already like highlighted the button for us. It's pulsing, you can see. So let's go ahead and apply for the job. It's going to open up a new page. And over here, the work is manual. You manually have to click apply and probably autofill with your resume, enter all this details. Now I'm not gonna go through all of these steps for the sake of the demo, but you have to apply for the job on your own, and then once you're done, you close it and then you come back to your LinkedIn page. Tell the Corgi that, okay, I have applied for the job. So next it's going to tell you what to do next. So next step, the Corgi is telling you that, hey, the company size and who to contact. This is a large company. Reach out to hiring managers. So depending on the size of the company, it gives you different messaging over here. So this is a large company. So Corgi is telling that, hey, it's best to reach out to the hiring managers and recruiters. And you can see the progress bar over here. We are on step 3. So we've just applied to the job and our probability of hearing back is kind of low and medium-ish. And then we click on, open this open button. It's going to take us to the next step. So over here, we can see that the Corgi is saying that, let me just zoom in. So the Corgi is saying that work through these quick steps to prioritize outreach, adjust the filters, and pick at least 2 senior profiles. So what the Corgi did is it opened up the company page. It already populated it with these, tags, and then it's already filtered out 23 members who we can, directly reach out to. So some of these profiles are here already, and it is saying adjust the filters and pick at least two senior profiles to reach out to. So over here, I can probably reach out to this first person, and I can reach out to this acquisition person, Chris, as well. So I'm just opening their profiles in new tabs. So over here and over here, I've opened both of these profiles. Let me just go back to the Corgi and see. So I have picked the two profiles, so I'm going to check mark that, add them and send them a short note or copy mine. So it has this copy intro note button. I can click that and it's going to copy the note that I need to send to these people. So I need to go back to their profiles, click on add, and add a free note over here. Over here, I can paste this note. And it's just saying, hey there, I just applied for the Java developer role at CIBC. I build impactful front ends, open for a quick 10-minute chat. So this is not a perfect message. You can, adjust the message as per, your liking. So I'm going to remove this. I build part impactful front ends messaging over here. And then I'm not going to click on send, but Corgi is telling us to, click send and add them as a connection. So same thing for Chris, click on the connect button, add a free note, paste the message, update the message as per your liking, or you can write your own message as well, and click the send button. So once you are done, you can come back to the Corgi and say, okay, fine, I've done these two things. And then confirm you've sent the connection request. So yeah, you've sent the connection request as well. So you can check mark that too off the list. And then finally, you've done all of the things that the Corgi has requested you to do. And then finally, we are going to click on done. So perfect. Now we are seeing that the Corgi is saying here back probability is very high. We've completed our progress bar. All 4 steps have been complete. And we are very likely that we will hear back from somebody from CIBC regarding the job position that we have applied. Simply submitting your resume on the job application is not going to cut it. We have to take a few extra steps, especially if you have not been hearing back and have been applying for multiple roles in this job economy and have not had any callbacks, or recruiters reach out to you. So I would recommend using this Chrome extension to do that. And one really nifty thing that the Chrome extension is going to do is I can go back to the tab where I have my dashboard open, and I can click on the jobs applied page. So I just applied for Java developer at CIBC at this time, and it's saying the status is completed. And I can just click on this open button over here and see that, okay, fine, this is the job that I've applied for. And this job tracker is going to keep a track of all the jobs that I keep on applying using the Corgi. So really a little, handy dandy Chrome extension that you can use for sure for keeping a track of all the jobs that you've been applying for. Now, there are a few other features as well, part of this, Chrome extension. So let me go back to the dashboard tab, and you can see that on this, my dashboard, it is telling me to do something. It is telling me to connect with this person named Rohit. And it's telling me that Rohit offers, mock interviews, and he was active like a few days ago. It's telling me open their profile, click connect, add a note, and paste the, short this message to this person, right? So I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to click on this open profile button, and it's going to take me to this, person's profile. Now, a few extra things that you're going to see on this profile are these bubbles, mock interview, referral exchange, resume reviews. Now, what this is telling me is that, this person is open to doing all of 3 things. So if I want to reach out to Rohit for mock interviews or referral exchanges or resume reviews, I can do that. And Rohit will not be surprised. Rohit would know that, okay, fine, this person is reaching out to me for, to receive help for one of these three things, and he would be, more than happy to help me out, simply because, he has installed this Chrome extension, and he is part of a LinkedIn group. I can talk about more what the LinkedIn group is, but let me go back to the Chrome extension dashboard. So over here, I can click on the Chrome extension icon on top, and it's going to give me this, option of visiting the group. Now, when you join the Chrome extension or install the Chrome extension, it invites you to join this Mochaccino group as well. This group has a few people who are very specifically, part of this group for a reason, and that reason is highlighted with these, informative bubbles right next to their profiles. So for example, Ben is only here for resume reviews, so Ben can help out others for reviewing their resumes, as well as Ben is open to, um, receiving that same help. Like Ben needs help regarding reviewing his own resumes as well. So he has indicated that through this, informative bubble. Different people are here for, different things, and they are indicating that through these informative bubbles next to their profiles. And yeah, this is, once you install the Chrome extension, you become part of this group, and you can network with all these people and, increase your chances of getting hired. So coming back to the profile, right? Sorry, coming back to the dashboard page, these are some of the things that I have just gamified, so that whenever you are networking with people, whenever you are doing these resume reviews, mock interviews, job referrals, you are earning some karma points. So let's say I connected with Rohit, and Rohit genuinely helped me out with the resume reviews. So I can click the this button to give karma to Rohit. So I can give 10 karma points to Rohit for helping me out with, the resume review, and Rohit's gonna get those karma points. And what Rohit can do is he can come back to this dashboard page, click on the Karma store, and redeem his Karma points. So I currently have 70 points with me, so I can probably redeem this, professional resume template over here, and just use that as, a template for editing my resume for reaching out to different companies. And yeah, this is how the point system work. You start with, level 1, and then the maximum you can go is up to the Mochaccino Master. And this animation tells you that you are on level 4 right now, level 4, and then you currently have like 70 points, and you need 100 points to move to the next level. Okay, and then over here, let me just refresh the page. It's not pulling the latest information. So over here, this is the section is the latest tea, what's brewing. So you can see what's happening in your network right now, who's doing what. If you've received help from somebody, it's going to show up over there. If someone else is helping out other people, it's going to show up over there as well. So it just gives you a really nice, high level overview of what's happening in your network, who are the top contributors, who is doing what, etc., etc. And at the bottom, it's just like everybody who is there in your network. And let's say you want to find people who are happy to give you a job referral, so I can use these filters over here to narrow down my search. I'm going to simply select, referral exchange, and I can see, okay, fine, these are the people who are willing to give me a job referral for, whatever company they're working for. And I can network with, just these people. So I can just click on view profile, and it's going to open up their profile in a new tab for me, and I can just send them a connection request and start networking with them to get a job referral. Now this whole community is symbiotic, so if you are receiving help from people, you should be open to helping other people out as well. That's the whole, basis for building this Chrome extension as well as this community. And the final thing that I'm going to show regarding this Chrome extension is the careers resource page. So over here, let me zoom out a little bit. So over here, I have aggregated everything, all the different, job boards that are out there from where you can find jobs. I've already categorized some of the job boards based on industry as well. So if you are in tech, use these job boards. If you are in healthcare, you can probably take a look at these job boards. Finance, creative, for finding remote works. These are the job boards. These are some of the like the online resume builders that are out there. If you're doing salary research, these are the links for that. And then if you're networking or if you're doing interview prep, some of the resources for that, etc. So a one-stop shop for all the job hunting resources that you can find online. So I've just aggregated all of those in one little nifty place. So all in all, this is the full Chrome extension. Now this does require you to have an invite code, and you can connect with me if you want to get an invite code. I can I can share my link in the description of this video. But yeah, that is it. If you are interested, feel free to install this Chrome extension. Reach out to me, and I can share that invite code with you, and you can also be a part of this really great network. And yeah, all the best with your career job search. Reach out to me if you ever need any help. Thank you.